Please, I'm an African, and I'm proud of my continent, Africa. I come across this video that is going viral about how Chinese are treating Africans, about the wickedness of Chinese people upon Africa, upon Africans. Why so much wickedness? Why so much hate? Why this racism? Why? Why? Just China. Just China of yesterday. Where is China to compare with Africa, with Nigeria? After all our mineral resources, where is China to compare us? I saw this racism of video, I saw this hatred, I saw this maltreatment going viral. I was like, where is our leaders? Do we ever have leader in Nigeria? Why are we behaving as if our country is empty? What is wrong with us? Nobody is speaking, nobody to talk for us, nobody. Even the so-called celebrities, nobody is saying anything. We claim blind eyes over these things that is happening. Why all this? Why? Why? I listened to our brother, the Minister of Foreign Affairs, one Mr. Onyama. I listened to him talking to a Chinese man in Nigeria. That should be the ambassador, the Chinese ambassador in Nigeria. He was shivering, counting his words before he could talk to him. Even in your own country, you are still afraid of him. That is why they are maltreating us. They are showing us this level of racism in their own country. I've been crying over this video. Please, I want to tell you, I don't know who is in charge of Nigeria country. I don't know who is the leader there. If it is a person or group of persons, the money that you people collected from China, you people borrowed from China, that we cannot see anywhere in Nigeria, no infrastructure, nothing. I know that money is in your bank account in America and Europe. Bring the money and give them back so we can have our respect. Please, give Chinese back their money. Abakere is dead. The money that you people kept for 2023 election, bring it back and give back to China. That is their money.
Please, you should look at what they are doing to us. Look at what Chinese people are doing to us. Look at. My brothers and sisters, you should look at. Take a look at this. What have you done to deserve all this? Is there no Chinese people in Africa? Is there no Chinese people in the other part of the world? Why are we being discriminated like this? Please, brothers and sisters, you should take a look at this. You should judge Chinese government. What have we done to them? What did we do to them? Why are we being discriminated like this? We can't sleep. We can't. Oh no, we can't even rest. We don't have lives of our own. Why are we being disgraced like this?
So now we are in our garden. Today is the 19th for 2020. Now we are in our garden. They could not allow us enter. So you can see now. See all of them outside there. They did not allow us to enter. So we've showed them all our test results of COVID-19. Today being 19th for 2020, we left the quarantine center where we are, and now we are already in our garden. And we've showed them all our papers for the COVID-19. All of us is negative, and now we're in our garden to enter. They could not allow us to enter, say we cannot enter. You can see the discrimination that is going on after we are being forced for COVID-19 quarantine, and now we are still asked not to enter our garden, even after we've showed them all our documents. Now this is happening in Jishanjo and Hiji Panda. This is happening in Jishanjo and Hiji Panda. Today is 19th, 4th, 2020. You can see right now. You can see we've given him the document to look. You can see he has snapped the documents right now. We've given him the documents. You can see the proof where the document is being given to him. We are 4 that left the quarantine center today from our own center. This is document that was given to us from the center, and you can see he's looking at it, snapping it. Yet we've been here for more than 1 hour. You can see the indigents are going inside without non-stop, but we, the Africans, is not allowed. You can see that their own citizens are going inside, but we Africans is not allowed. We are waiting. This is more than 1 hour now. We are still waiting. You say what? Now he's saying that we're not allowed. You can see I've showed him all my documents. Now he wants to hit me with this thing. Take. Take. Take.
Sit down! Sit down! Sit down! Sit down!
You can see now. You can see now.
Sit down!
You can see now.
Sit down!
You can see now.
Sit down!
You can see that.
Only us? 所以说我们就是在这个交流上面的。You're not allowed to go in? Well, I can go in. You can? Yeah, excuse me. I can go in and they cannot. Come on. They can. Right? Okay. Turkey. Oh my god, this is ridiculous. I'm sorry, I cannot help you. Really. Oh my god.